Alright. So I'm finally finishing up with this thing. So basically, the thing that held me up for all this time was this right here. I had this painted, I just needed to paint this black, and I wanted to do it matte black. And I kind of wanted to rattle can it, just because I wanted to get this project done. It's been sitting for a while. But we're going to do the assembly. So it's pretty straightforward on this one. I say that and I can't get it together. So basically everything's already pre-assembled on there. Just needed to put this in, push it down into place. We'll take our base, which has been weathered and whatnot, and let me zoom this out. That's much better. Just line your tabs up, click it into place. And this being with Bandai Fashion, you don't necessarily even need glue. It's pretty much snapped together. Put that on there. I'll have to touch up Goku's arm apparently. And then there's that. And the final thing is the windshield that doesn't seem to want to go all the way down on this side. There it goes. So yeah, other than the marker lights, which I think I'm just going to leave, I don't know, I may paint them on there. It is done. So yeah, that is the Bulma's, or Ox King's vehicle, that's what this was called. It's been so long. But yes, it is fully painted, figures are painted, fully weathered, because you can't have it just looking all bare bones, and fully assembled. This is going to be a very short video just to kind of get things going, and you know, I'm sure people were wondering where this was left off at. So yeah, I will end up taking pictures of this and Yamcha's Mighty Mouse, and then we'll do the video diorama on these. But for the time being, these are going to go into the display cases to keep dust from getting on them and whatnot. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The skin color on Bulma, Goku, all of these, it doesn't look the best, and that is something I'm going to work on for the future. I do have to touch that up, which I'm not worried about that, but yeah, so these are done. Let me bring the camera down. So yeah, these things are done. I'd have to give myself like a turntable or something to make presentations a little bit easier, but these are done. Now the cool thing is, for Christmas, both my son and I got a ton of model kits. So we will have all of them but one to do on this entire mecha collection. And I'm kind of excited about it, because then using these pieces that you get as a bonus, they call them romantic parts, but as using these that you get when you purchase each one of the kits, you can build an extra kit. And I'm kind of excited about that, because now we've got the two pieces that came with this, we've got the piece that came with this, and then we've got four or five other pieces to go along with it. But that is all I'm going to do for now. I may touch up on some things later on, but I think I'm good with what these are, because the Dragon Ball series, they kind of focus more on the characters and less on the kits themselves, or the vehicles themselves. But so yeah, that is all for now. Don't forget, if you'd like to see more of these things, help support me. I do have a Patreon for that. It is patreon.com/NotSoAverageBuilder. I do have a Facebook and Instagram. Just search Not Your Average Builder on each one of those. I post up I try to post up as often as I can. Sometimes, with hectic lives and all that stuff, it just doesn't work out. But I am very active on Instagram, and it coincidentally posts to Facebook, so I'm active on there as well. And then if you have not already, please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified on my next video. So with these, I would like to leave with this. On the other Dragon Ball kits, comment below if you think I should paint them similar fashion to what these are, close to the box art, or if you think I should go crazy colors. Or anything else you'd like to see. Any comments, questions, or any of those that you have, drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget, I also have my 300... that's terrible. I have my 300 subscriber giveaway. I'm currently at 58. So get on this while I'm still low, so that way you are in there for that 300 subscriber giveaway. Once I do that, I will be giving the whole entire Dragon Ball Mecha collection away. Once I hit that 300 subscriber mark, I'm going to do a video, and the people who comment on that, once I hit that 300 subscriber, I will pick a random comment from that, and the lucky winner will get the entire set. That's all for now, guys. Have a wonderful day, and remember, don't just be an average builder. Be a not-so-average builder. Bye, guys.